Early in the morning, the Sierra Nevada stood silent, untouched, wild, hiding secrets deep beneath its soil.
One man, Ethan Cole, walked alone toward the river, carrying nothing but tools and hope. He dropped to his knees, hands shaking slightly, knowing this moment could change everything. Muddy water spun slowly as he worked the pan, letting nature decide his fate.
Then, tiny flashes of light. Gold! Real gold! Sparkling like it had waited centuries to be found. Ethan froze, his breath caught. This was the moment every prospector dreamed of. Word spread fast. The quiet river soon filled with men chasing the same promise. Tents appeared overnight. Fires burned non-stop. Metal pans clanged in endless rhythm. Excitement moved through the camp like fire. Everyone believing their turn was next. They dug with bare strength, pickaxes striking earth from dawn to dark. To work faster, miners built sluices, letting rushing water separate gold from dirt. Heavy gold settled behind wooden riffles, refusing to move any further. Carefully, Ethan gathered the concentrate, guarding every grain like treasure. At night, lanterns glowed as miners counted flakes under flickering candlelight. Ethan wrote everything down. Every ounce mattered. Winter crept in fast, covering camps and dreams with snow. Frozen hands, cracked skin, but the hunger for gold kept them moving. Years passed. Mining grew bigger, louder, more aggressive. Water cannons blasted entire hillsides apart, tearing the land open. Rivers turned muddy as mountains slowly disappeared. Ethan watched as simple panning gave way to brutal industry. Gold-rich sediment rushed through long sluice systems. Heavy particles dropped, trapped by gravity itself. Teams worked endlessly, exhaustion written on every face. Stamp mills roared, crushing rock with relentless force. Solid stone became dust, freeing gold locked away for millions of years. The air filled with dust and sweat. Progress came at a cost. Mules hauled heavy loads across unforgiving terrain. Then the past faded, and the future arrived. Today, California mining is massive, precise, and controlled. From above, the earth looks carved by giants. Machines dig deeper than any human ever could. Ethan Cole Jr., descendant of the first prospector, now carries the legacy forward. Data replaces instinct. Screens replace rivers. Tons of ore move non-stop toward processing plants. Rock shatters under steel, reduced in seconds. Crushed ore flows endlessly through the system. Grinding mills turn stone into liquid slurry. Inside, steel pipes and steam hum with constant motion. Chemistry now does what rivers once did, separating gold from rock. At a microscopic level, gold comes together again. Engineers monitor every detail, maximizing recovery. Then comes fire. Gold melts, glowing like liquid sunlight. Molten gold flows into molds, taking its final shape. The air bends with heat as bars begin to form. Carefully, workers lift newly formed gold bars. The surface cools, turning from fire to fortune. Each bar is stamped. Weight, purity, history. Ethan Cole Jr. feels the weight of generations in his hands. Once, this dream fit in a single pan. From tiny flakes to solid gold bars. Now gold rests behind steel doors. Protected, secured, preserved. Ethan walks through the mine, reflecting on the past.
History and technology merge into one story. From river pans to steel giants, the pursuit never changed.
As the sun sets, the land glows gold once more. Footsteps fade, but the legacy remains. This is California gold mining, then and now. The dream lives on.